Sit like this. Feel comfortable, and if you are feeling uncomfortable to sitting in this pose, then don't take tension. You can sit in a half lotus pose also, or be comfortable. Because if you will feel comfortable, then you can do a best. Otherwise your whole tension and whole focus, it will be running the stretching part. Keep your body calm and peace. Close your eyes. Take a deeply respirations. Deeply inhale. Trying to hold it. According your capacity, you can hold it. And when you think you cannot hold it long, then slowly, deeply exhaling. Recite it, a same technique, minimum 6 to 7 times. If you wish, you can also do with me, because we will do it minimum 6 to 7 times. Deeply inhale. Hold it. Deeply exhaling. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhaling. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhaling. One more time. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhaling. Friends, normally when we start with the meditations or practicing with the breathing, so it brings us concentration, and it brings to our mind to focus in our yoga postures. And most of us, we know that currently this virus is giving effect in our lungs, heart. So we will start to do the asanas which will be very help to open our chest. The reason is that it's firstly attack to our throat, then after it comes inside, and after that it gives us big attack and big problem. Many of the people from us, we are using the mask, and many times we remove the mask. Especially I am talking about in our India. When we go outside, we are watching the police. If policeman is coming, then we wear it, and if policeman going out, we again remove it. But it is not solution. In this way you cannot be fight from coronavirus. The reason is that if your immune system will be strong, if your body's resistance power to fighting disease, it will be strong, then you can fight. And mask is very useful for getting a distance from the virus. So these reasons, whenever you are going out, use the mask. Don't think that each time someone will following you, someone will care to you. Your life, your responsibility, and your life is very important for your family, for your friend, for the nation, for the world, and for all of us. So trying to follow the rules. We are coming now in our next asanas. Firstly, we are going to do Ustrasana. Ustrasana, it's we can say sometime in English camel pose. Ustrasana is very helpful to open our chest. How we are doing? Look at me first, and if you wish, you can also try it with me. Stand on your knee. You can give support and bend it. And if you are comfortable, if you feel comfortable, then catch it, stay here, take a normal breathings. It's very helpful to improve your limb. It's open your limb. Take a normal breathings 6 to 7 times. If you can stay a longer time, you can also stay, and if it's not possible to stay long, then you can do it minimum at least 3 times. After finish each time, take a short relaxation. It's we call child pose. Relaxations you can take like a 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's very helpful for improve your limb, because if your limb will be active, then your body's resistance power to fighting disease, it will be increase. Look at me once more. Same, because many of people they cannot do completely, so take the supports here. And you can notice when you will be bent here, you can notice that your chest is going to open. If you are doing it also in this pose, this is also perfect. Don't think that you have to do a advanced one. Stay here normally. Normal breathings. After, take a relaxations. Now let's do with me, because I hope that some of people's they are also practicing, so do it once more. You can take a support, and especially when you bend the behind side, if you feel comfortable, then close your eyes. Same, relax in child pose. Now we are going to do next. Always remember the poses in the yoga, which one will be very helpful to open chest, to open your stretching. It gives more and more stretching and more flexibility. Definitely it will very helpful to increase your immunity power. We are doing now next, and it's called the Adho-Mukha. Sometimes it's also called downward dog's pose. Trying to touch your heel on the feet on the floor, and keep your head inside. Feel completely stretching in your body. Stay here with the normal breathings. Take minimum 7 to 9 times minimum. After that, relax. And you can also notice that when you will be start to do it, minimum 6 to 7 times when you will do it, after finish you will see that sweat will come, start to out in your body. So it's very helpful to bring out toxin in your body. Look at me. One more. Our heel, our all 5 fingers, our toes and the leg, all 5 fingers, it will be on the floor. Take a normal breathings. Take a relax. It's very helpful to also improve your thymus gland, to improve the power, and this is very helpful to increase in your body white blood cell, because white blood cell is giving to power to fight disease. Now we are going to do next, and this is it's called snake pose or Bhujangasana. How we do it? We will lay down on our stomach. Trying to keep your elbow little bent. Take a normal breathing here. It's very good to give power in our spleen. After come down with exhaling. Same, you can do it in different variation. You can do it. Keep your both hand in the front. Inhale. It's a different variation. Take a normal breathings. Bring it down with exhaling. Now let's see next. And next one, this is very helpful for our abdominal muscle, very good for our liver, kidney, gallbladder, small intestine, biggest intestine, and all stomach organ. This is also very helpful for our pancreas. Spleen also gets the power. How we do? It's here. And take an inhale, exhaling. Look the opposite side. Take a normal breathings here, 6 to 7 times. After bringing it up with inhale, change it. Take an inhale, bring it down with exhaling. take minimum 7 respirations. After, bring it up. So same, you can do it minimum like 4 times, 5 times, depends up to you according your time schedules. Butterfly. Butterfly is very good for giving us activeness, because if our body will be active, then any types of virus it will not touch in our body. How we do it? Look at me. And we can do it by 2 methods. If you are a young and if you can do more rapidly, then do it rapidly. And if you are thinking that you cannot do it rapidly, then you can do a slow version. But in a both way, you will get a same benefit. Inhale, exhaling. Inhale, exhaling. Inhale, exhaling. Inhale, exhaling. Inhale, exhaling. And if you are doing a rapid one, then quick inhaling and quick exhaling.